How to fix wireless keyboard not working on your Windows. What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your wireless keyboard is not working. So the very first thing that you want to do is check if your battery is dead. So sometimes you might not know it, but your wireless keyboard battery will be dead and it's not working. After that, you might want to check your wireless USB receiver, and after you do both of those, after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you can do is go ahead and open your settings first. Click on your your laptop settings, and once your settings is open, you are going to go on System, and if you scroll down, you will see Troubleshoot, and on Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters. And if you scroll down, if you have an external keyboard connected, you will see an option to troubleshoot the keyboard. So on the keyboard option, you can click on Run, and then it will run a troubleshooter. If you have done that and it's not showing anything, then you don't have any problem related to your keyboard. Then what you can do is go ahead and open your device manager, and from here click on keyboard drop down, and once it shows your external keyboard, right click on it and then update driver. And if you have any update available, you are going to want to update the driver. Then other thing that you can do is right click and then uninstall device. So what this will do is it will uninstall the driver, and once you restart your PC, it will install it back again. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed. Then the other thing that you can do is right click on your PC and scan for hardware change. And after doing this, just give your PC a quick restart and then you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.